Welcome to my backyard. Today we'll be harvesting pounds of food here in my small space garden. So today we'll be harvesting amaranth, aka callaloo, and also other veggies. So come along with me.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So first we'll be getting these amaranth or callaloo. So usually when I'm harvesting my callaloo, I don't harvest from the root. I leave the root inside so I can cut and come again. So when I harvest like this, they will spring up back. Look at that, looking so lush and nice. All right. By the way, look at this. Since I'm right here, my strawberries. Oh, more coming up. More coming up. Looking good, isn't it? All right, so, and look at these. My tiny Tim tomatoes. They are so cute. Let's get the eggplants. All right. So let's get this one first. Look at it, guys. All right, let's get it. See if I can put this right here like this. Okay, good. So I'm just going to cut it like this. Look at this thing, bulb. Look. Can you see? Look at them. Always perplexing my eggplants. Wow. Look at it, guys. Looks so good. Do you agree? Another two over on the other side. Look at this leaf, guys. You see? Look at it. It needs to come off, but look at the stink bugs. Let me just take off this leaf and just throw it away. I'm trying not to touch them. Oh, look at that. Oh. Of course, I got rid of them and crushed them, but look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, I don't know what they are. First time seeing these. I don't know if they are good or bad, but I'm going to take them as bad. So I am going to crush these as well. I'll be back, guys. One moment. All right, so we're back. All right, so I'm not going to get this little one right here. This has a lot more time to develop. I'm going to get this one. Look at it. And there's another one over there at the back. All right, so let's get those two. All right, so let's get this one. Very nice. And let's get the other one now. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Nice. All right, beautiful. You see, guys, my space is very small, but I'm getting food, and that is what is important. So you can grow what you eat what you grow, even in a small tiny space like mine. I just want to take the time out to acknowledge all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Gardening with Stacey family. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Big up to all my loyal supporters. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you all. Enough blessings to you and your family. Get these cucumbers right here. Before we get the cucumbers, I have a few beans right there. That's what I'm going to get. One. Well, it's not much beans, but I am still grateful. I think I let this stay too long. Look, string beans. Yeah, man, I let them stay too long. Still going to use them. Or I may just plant these. I'm not sure. See the difference? Yeah, the bottom ones are getting a little yellow. So I may just plant back those and use the green ones. These don't look good at all. I don't know what's happening with them. Anyways, I have more beans over here. Let me see if they're ready. Take off these little ones right here. See another one right here. I can get this one. They're not big, but I'm going to use them. Seeing that they were so small and turning yellow, so I don't think I'm going to get big sizes from it. So even though they're not big, I'm still getting them. Don't want them to turn yellow. There's another one right here. Yeah. Let's get these cucumbers. Nice size. Let's get this other one. Nice size as well. Look at it. Beautiful. Alright, so I have some beans over here as well that I'm getting. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. Okay. So these are bush beans. I have more around here. So I have a little one right here. It will look good if I see any more. I left that part. Alright. That looks like it. Let me get this pepper since I'm right here. Seasoned very nice. Alright. Small space garden, yet harvesting pounds of food. I also have, look at these peppers, guys. I am so tempted to touch. So tempted to touch. Look at them. Isn't that beautiful? Scotch bonnet peppers. I am actually going to touch one because I need a green pepper to use. So I'm going to touch one. Just one. Because I don't need more than one right now. Oh, look at this one ripening. So I'm going to take off. Which one am I going to harvest? Oh my, they're so cute. All right, let me get this one right here. Yeah, nice. Yep, I have a few more stuff on it over here. Let's see. So this is one right here. This is another one right here. Beautiful little harvest. What else I want to get? Oh, and I have some okra over here as well. Okra. And this is the right time to harvest them, guys, when they're soft. And you can squeeze them and they feel soft like that. The right time to harvest them. All right, so let's get them. All right, let me just get the scissors so I can cut them. Beautiful. Nice. Oh, what would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. So this is actually burrata, guys. So quite a few persons always ask me, how do you prepare your eggplant? What do you use your eggplant for in the kitchen? Since I'm about to prepare one, why not just show you? So basically, I am adding it to my saltfish. I'm cooking down some saltfish. Same thing as codfish. So with the saltfish, I'll be adding tomato, garlic, onion. These are sweet peppers or bell peppers, red, yellow, green, orange. And I have carrot right here, a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, and pieces of thyme. So yes, I'll be adding the eggplant to this mix. All right, so first of all, I'm going to cut off here, the top, and set this one side. So it depends on you how you really want to cut your eggplant. This is just how I do it, and I'm just sharing with you for those who always ask me and for those who are interested to see. So there are a few other ways that I also use eggplant. Not a lot of ways, but this is actually one of my favorite ways to use it. And just dice them the way you want to. It's really up to you how you want to dice them. Alright, so I'm just going to give you a little glimpse of how I prepare it. So the oil is hot and ready, guys. Let me just put in my garlic, onion, carrots. And my peppers. Let's turn this down a little. Yeah. Scotch bonnet. And to add the eggplant. And just stir them in a little. And to let these stir fry for a little. Maybe 2 minutes or so. Guys, this smells so good. So this is, say, maybe 2.5 minutes. Yeah. Now I'm going to add the saltfish. And the saltfish. Also the thyme and the tomatoes. Just pour them in a little. So I'm going to add some ketchup to this and some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Just a little. And some Maggi. While I was adding the Maggi season, my phone temperature got very hot and the camera shut down and wouldn't open up. So unfortunately, you did not see that part, but I did just add a little amount, stir it in, and I let it simmer for another 2.5 minutes on a low flame. You can add black pepper to this. I just don't like to use black pepper. So here it is, guys, just about ready. Ready for my belly. So yes, I'll be having this with some dumpling. Let me show you. And yam and banana. Yeah. So there's my plate, guys. Want some? So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam.